Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Youth Success Coaching. Today we have a game, and this game is called Stress Management, and it is for ages 7 to 11. So go ahead and get your trusted adult, and let's play. Okay, so welcome to the team. Let's help our friends. So good luck. Meet your teammates. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Did you get their names? Write them down. You'll get to see them later. Game rules. Answer multiple choice questions to help our friends with their stress. Have fun and do your best. Ready, set, go. First up is social support. So these are supports that will help you with all your friends and peers. Brian is stressed by his friends at school. Who can help? A, teacher. B, coach. C, peers. D, janitor. Pause here and choose your answers. Our answers are A, teacher, B, coach, and D, janitor. Brian can speak with trusted adults. They are here to help you. Talk about the problem. Can you write down 3 people whom you talk with? Pause here and write your answer. Next up is stress management. And here you're going to learn how to manage your stress. Becky screams and yells at classmates who never listen to the teacher. What should Becky do? A, run away. B, talk to her counselor. C, yell. D, breathe slowly. Pause here and choose your answers. Our answers are B, talk to counselor. D, breathe slowly. Taking a breath to calm down is a good first step in controlling Becky's emotions. The next best step is talking to a counselor about how Becky feels. Who is your counselor? Pause here and write your answer. Moving on to life balance. Sarah focuses on cheerleading 7 days a week, after school, and weekends. Which areas will Sarah eventually struggle with later? A, family. B, grades. C, friends, or D, cheerleading? The answers are A, family, B, grades, C, friends. Sarah must have a balance in life. If not, Sarah will lose connections with others outside of cheerleading and even get lower grades due to not having time to study. How do you balance your weekly schedule? Stop here and write your answer. Basic needs. Bobby goes to bed late, eats snacks in the bedroom, gets up late for school, and doesn't brush his teeth or bathe. What areas of need is Bobby struggling with? A, diet. B, fun. C, hygiene. D, sleep. Pause here and choose your answers. The answers are A, diet, C, hygiene, D, sleep. Bobby needs to limit the amount of snacks throughout the day. Bobby may be sleepy when he gets up because he stays up late. Bobby would need to make sure that he brushed his teeth to prevent cavities, but also bathe himself to stay healthy. Do you struggle with any of these areas? Pause here and write your answer. You did it! How many did you get right? Go ahead and count. So if you like this game, check out Youth Success Coaching on social media for more information like this. Thanks for playing the game. Now, did you get all of the friends? Go ahead and look.